What's up, guys? So, this first bit of news is that Sony has released a new PlayStation 3 update nearly 20 years after launch. The update keeps Blu ray playback working. So, guys, this is it for this first bit of news. And the second bit of news is that Starfield is coming to PS5 on April 7th. And the last bit of news is that Forza Horizon 6 has brought back seasonal weather changes. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to see all my new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching. Peace.